सर वर्कशॉप कित्याक खातीर आशिल्लें कोणा खातीर?
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टीस एंड एम्पावरमेंट, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया आणि डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ सोशल वेलफेअर, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा ह्या दोन्ही संयुक्तरित्या नॅशनल एक्शन प्लॅन फॉर ड्रग डिमांड रिडक्शन जो पळय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान फॉर द इयर 2018 to 2025 जो पळय तयार केला तो इम्प्लिमेंटेशना खातीर आणि ड्रग एब्यूज जो पळय आसा ऑल ओवर इंडिया, हाऊ टू गेट रीड ऑफ इट इन स्पेशली हाऊ टू इम्प्लिमेंट दॅट प्लॅन इन गोवा स्टेट. ह्या खातीर आमकां सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट मदत करता आणि त्या प्लॅनाच्या अंतर्गत डिपार्टमेंटान खुबश्यो एक्टिविटीज राबयल्यात. एक म्हणजे आमी हालींच एक पिक्चर रिलीज केला काळखी वाट म्हणून, माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या हातान तांचे उपस्थितीन. दुसरें म्हणजे आमी कदंबा ज्यो बसीस आसात ताचेर से नो टू ड्रग्स म्हणून अरावंड 100 बसीस आमी एडवर्टिजमेंट केल्लो आसा. तिसरी गजाल म्हणजे आमी अवेरनस कॅम्प्स दवरतात जाणे करून लोकां मदीं जागृताय जावची. त्या खातीर आमी मुख्यरित्या एक स्टेट लेवल स्टेट लेवल वर्कशॉप दवरिल्लो आणि त्या नंतर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल दोनूय डिस्ट्रिक्टांत 2 अशें मेळून 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल एक्शन प्लॅन्स. तातूंत मुख्यरित्या जे पार्टिसिपंट्स आसात तातूंत सरपंच, मागीर मेंबर्स, जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर्स, म्युनिसिपालिटीचे कावन्सिलर्स, चेअरपर्सन्स आणि त्याच बरोबर पुलीस अधिकारी, हेल्थ, एज्युकेशन आणि बाकीचे जे NGOs आसात हांच्या मदीं म्हणजे वी आर वर्किंग टू क्रिएट एन एटमॉस्फियर, क्रिएट अ टीम, सो देर हॅज टू बी अ interdepartmental coordination and all the departments like education, health, police, social welfare department, women and child, all this should work together hand in hand to achieve the ultimate goal. What we are done is we have also made an attempt to train all the teachers in schools and the counselors also in every school, so that we can target that vulnerable group of the society and create an awareness, and we can prevent them from getting into this drug abuse. And similarly, we have given fund, the department has given funds to the SCRT also, and this program will be a year-long program, and it's a massive kind of I would say a mission, and for which I would appeal to all the people to ensure that to participate in that, especially look at the behavioral pattern. In this training, what we are trying to explain is why we are trying to explain why is this action plan, why there is in the first place there is a need of this action plan, and how to implement it, to identify the vulnerable areas, vulnerable sections of the society, and the first is to create awareness, then to reduce the supply, then the third is treatment and care, and the fourth is rehabilitation. The whole idea of this plan is to make the society drug free.
Dixon
मागं म्हणजे किती
कित्याक
ते रोलर घ्या बरं.
ओके
He's a coastal man, take his bite.
मागीर
I'm Dixon Walls, Sarpanch of Kavilosip, and I'm very happy that Director of Social Welfare Department have organized this one-day orientation program on district level capacity building workshop on National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction Scheme by the central government. See, as a coastal belt Sarpanch, I am very pleased because the session is very good. It gives you a lot of inputs on how to reduce the drug addiction. आणि जशे पर्यंत आयज आमकां लेक्चरान दिता शिकयता त्या प्रमाणे इट इज एट द स्कूल लेवल. So drug is elimination is one thing. जे completely out करपाक एक program, but this program is very good because it tells you how to reduce the drug use, so that finally जे drug demand जरी उणो जालो जाल्यार drugs इंकपाचे उणे जातले. So it's a very good plan by the government, and I am very happy that Director of Social Welfare and such a big lot of speakers, experienced people are giving us lecture. And I think as a Sarpanch for coastal villages, this plan is very important, and I urge the other coastal belt Sarpanches to follow this plan, educate yourself and implement it. So I am training given eyes Vaita Mullari. It is my duty to not to keep the training over here, but is to spread it to the villages in the school level, oriental programs in school, awareness, and in the societies. Sarga, Amare. So what I said, this program is the coastal fund. Very good, and we will take this to school, colleges, and communities.
Yeah, today the district capacity building workshop on the National Drug Reduction Action Plan is being held in the collectorate in Margao, and we are keen to see that at the taluka level civil society participation increases, and it's a good step that the Directorate of Social Welfare has taken to see that panchayats, the police department, the ZP are sensitized on the issue. At the same time, NGOs are also drawn into the action plan. It is very important that we understand that Goa is a tourist destination, and we have very large tourist arrivals in the state of Goa, and slowly the focus on drugs has increased over the years, and today there is a large amount of people who are getting involved in the sale of drugs, particularly during the tourism season. So we have to evolve a strategy which involves the panchayats, involves education institutions, and this workshop will help in devising a concrete action plan for the state of Goa and for South Goa district. So we are very hopeful for the outcomes from those who are attending this workshop today.
Thank you.